What are the dangers of not using an experienced family law attorney when dealing with division of assets and debts in a divorce case? Attorney Mike Barrett explains that. The dangers of not using an experienced family law attorney when dealing with division of assets and debts in a divorce case is that examining and dividing assets and debts gets a little bit tricky and somewhat convoluted for someone who doesn't do this for a living and hence would not know the right argument to make. A person needs to know what the definitions are, and they need to know that even though there are definitions out there, a lot of it is in the gray. These definitions create a rebuttal presumption in many cases. Therefore, arguments can be made on various debt and properties. You can make arguments as to why the equity in the house shouldn't be divided 50-50. Someone who is trained and has made these arguments plenty of times is just more adept. This may be your first divorce or your second divorce, but an experienced attorney has done this hundreds of times and has another level of experience. The old adage says, an ounce of prevention is better than a pound of cure. I would strongly advise seeking legal counsel at the outset to avoid mistakes and/or pitfalls. Every case doesn't require the aid of a lawyer. Cases where parties can reach an amicable agreement and are confident in their own abilities to live by a verbal agreement or abilities to draft a complete property settlement agreement won't require the assistance of a lawyer. Attorneys cost money. Doctors cost money. Sometimes people represent themselves and treat their own illnesses. It may work out well. Get expert legal help for family law and personal injury by contacting Mike Barrett in Maryland. He puts his client's best interests first and will give you advice based on years of experience.